This is December 12th, 2020, and it's an 8-week update for the Ruth Stout gardening method. Here we can see the garlics are still growing. Some of the leaves are potentially yellowing or decaying a little bit, which may indicate that it's coming close to harvest time. Like here you can see, for example, it's yellowing right there. But those were some of the first that came up. The ones that were cut, you can see here, like they got cut. They have started to grow some new leaves, like here you saw they got cut. So they seem to be doing okay. Maybe they'll make a full recovery. Here's another one that was cut that's possibly making full recovery. Now there were some that were in here. Like I remember there was one growing right there. I don't know if you can see all the flies and stuff going around there, but that shoot didn't come up. There's something right here, which I have no idea what that is. In fact, there's a lot of flies over here. I don't know why. I mean, there were a lot of flies when we first put down the hay, but then they stopped. But now there's a lot again. Back here, let's see, where was it? There were, we've been checking up on these green guys. Like that's a green guy, which we don't know. I think it could be carrot, but I don't know. Like here it is again right there. I mean, it could just be a blade of grass. I'm not entirely sure because remember, this is hay, and hay is literally cut grass. But this seems to be the biggest one right here. I'd love it to be a carrot, but it could just be a blade of grass. And I just wanted to point out the one that was over here again. Where was it? Like here's like another thing. Like who the heck knows? It kind of looks similar, which makes me think maybe it's grass. Where was that other one? Oh yeah, here. So that's like a new development. It could be grass, or it could be something we planted. I don't even remember. I thought we planted mostly garlic in that area. Over here, my mom's Brussels sprouts, dead. The only thing that survived, really, is the row of radishes, which you can see they are taking on that radishy color. Yeah, that's about it, I would say, for her plot. She did plant 3 rows of radishes, if you remember, and this seems to be basically the only one that sprouted. I mean, there could be maybe 1 or 2 radishes that could possibly live. But besides that, that's what it is. Seems to be mainly the garlic still. Possibly we have some, potential new things coming up here. Like, I don't know if it's, as I said, I don't know if it's grass or carrot, or we put an onion, we put in cucumber. I'm not even sure anymore. And over here, this is where we put in the ginger and the potatoes as well. And I'm pretty sure they're dead. But if they're not, this could be, I think it's a weed. But like, I mean, if you look at something like this big old thing right there, like, who knows if that's grass or if it's actually something. Hopefully it's not grass. But it could be, because I see it in different areas and they all look the same. And I know that hay contains grass seeds. So that's about it.